Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video we are taking a look at Tesla stock. So Tesla tried to do something today, tried to go back up. However, it's still rejecting underneath of that 200 days moving average and also that very significant level of 203 that I have been pointing out as a very important significant level from over the weekend, because this level, previously a potential support, now has turned into a resistance in the already ongoing downward structure that Tesla is in. So what does it mean from here on moving forward, right? Tesla, no doubt, is in the downtrend. Overall structure is still in the downtrend. This today's rebound that came, that's fine. That is just a rebound though in this pivot that we got. So we did continue to reject underneath of the previous pivot down here, fell lower, came back down to another significant level that is 194, very close to 108 and 91, one of the levels that I was talking to you guys yesterday as well. We got a bounce there, and then when you see a couple of hours of consolidation at one of the significant level with the already little bit of a rebound in continuation, right? That was at least an intraday rebound, but right now overall structure hasn't really shown us any sign of bullishness. It's just a rebound. So yes, day trading, you can still use these structures, right, into the pullbacks through the demand into these zones of support as a pivot, as for the near-term intraday rebound. But as you can see, we haven't really taken out a high here. So is this intraday rebound still strong enough to continue tomorrow higher up, or is it not? So let's talk about that as well. Now, before that, I want to first take you back again to the daily interval. Now, the sentiment on the bullish side, for me at least, would only come more on the overall structure if we can regain tomorrow or eventually this week above $203, because as I just explained, this region of the blue box with 200 days moving average and the previous areas with the price structure, and not just that, if I take you over to the weekly interval, so let's go over there. This was the neckline for the really nice inverted head and shoulder pattern that we got, right? So this neckline, since we have again broken it to the downside, unless we don't regain it this week, it's a problem. So it's very important to get above that $203 level to have that some more bullish sentiment come back in. Now let's go to the hourly interval and let's talk about the intraday potential plays for tomorrow. So sure, there is this pivot today. However, pivot with the previous comparison. However, what I'm also seeing is that we haven't really taken out the previous high yet. We are slowing down, right? This is what means that either direction as it breaks will give you the move. So for that, I can also actually put this channel up for you guys. Again, now it's not going to be penny to penny perfect, guys. Just use this as a reference, but you can see this is almost in this channel as well, right? Now, as for the simplicity, for the intraday trade tomorrow, it's a long play above $203. Also, if we can get above with the combination of 50 hours moving average, then some upside is possible, again up to 212. Otherwise, if we lose the level 198 and 60 cents tomorrow, the very next significant level down there, you are again expecting 194 and 15 cents area. And if we lose that as well, then welcome to the continued downtrend. All right, then level by level is to the downside. So it's very simple play for tomorrow though. All right, it's just either we break to the upside or to the downside out of this blue box, either direction. For the upside, I would like to say let it get also above 50 hours moving average for more confirmed upside on this. Yeah, otherwise, yeah, we are not quite there yet, but it's testing that limit right now. So Tesla, right? So that's with Tesla, guys. I will be doing another video on my dividend investing channel because I did buy these dividend stocks today. So if you want to know more about what that is, then I would highly suggest that you check out this channel of mine, Junior Trader Dividend Investing channel. Link to this channel will be in the description of this video. And here I'm talking about everything regarding what I'm buying, my public facing portfolio, and I share everything over here. All right. So let's go back to Tesla here. Now, just before wrapping up, I want to show you real quick SPY and QQQ as well. So this was my worry, and I'll be doing another video with the tech stocks here. So we did try to go up, right? However, as my worry was, if we close below this red line that I marked yesterday, 524 and 67 cents, we are not fully out of the woods yet, and this would then eventually, would start to look inward, sorry, the head and shoulder pattern. And if we consolidate here, comes down and then now break 200 days moving average, market is going then much lower, guys. All right, just be prepared for that if that happens. That red line, that's why I provided you. And similarly with QQQ is the thing that there is no even sign of upside right now, even if you're not even getting above this 448. There's no structure change to the upside. Its structure is still bearish. You can see rebounds are just getting shorted, right? And if anytime we lose 200 days moving average without going above 448, oh wow, more problems for you. All right, but anyways, I'm not worried. Why so, junior trader? Why are you not worried? Because, so if I show you my day trading bot, and this is a new bot, guys, that will be released this this week. So this particular bot takes positions on both on the long and the short side. So if I just show you its performance, even today we had a profitable day on SPY, and then here is QQQ as well. Today was also a profitable day, and yeah, overall net profitable data is on the left side of the table. And yeah, and even on Tesla we are profitable. And today we had, like on QQQ, first short position, but then we got a stop loss, but then we got a buy, and into the buy we made the money. It came out net profitable, and that's, this bot does both short and the long side. And then this one down here, you can see short example, we were successful in the short, the bot I mean. And then excuse me, sorry guys. And the previous one before that as well, we had buy also profitable and then short also profitable. Buy was very little profitable, but then short made a lot of money. So anyways, if you need access to my tools, links are in the description below of this video. This bot will be released today, oh well, this week I mean. And then other tools and bots that I already have, you will have access to those as well already. All right, anyways, and that's pretty much it for this video, guys, and I will see you then in my next videos. All right, take care, guys. Bye.